Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. In the last video lectures we discussed various subtopics of the chapter Age of Industrialization. And today we are also going to discuss one more subtopic of this chapter, that is hand labor and steam power. The topic to be discussed today is titled as hand labor and steam power. There is an answer of the important question in this topic. Why did some industrialists preferred hand labor over machines in the 19th century? First, let me make you clear the meaning of hand labor and steam power. Hand labor simply means work done with hands. It's manual labor distinct from machine work. And steam power is power that is applied to an engine by the force of steam. We call this as steam power. In this topic, there is a comparison between hand labor and steam power. When we talk of the hand labor, in the 19th century, there was no shortage of labor. It was because of poverty. That is, people came from villages to cities in search of work, and that resulted in abundance labor. Now there is a confusion. If machines were available, then why the industrialists prefer hand labor over machines? It was because there was plenty of laborers. The workers were available in abundance, and the laborers were available in the market. The laborers were willing to work in low wages. Why so? It was because of the competition between the laborers. On the other hand, we also see that machines requires a large capital investment. That's why industrialists preferred hand labor over machines. I will recapitulate so that you may understand it clearly. There was abundance of labor. The laborers were available in plenty. And the laborers were willing to work in low wages as well. It is because there was the competition between the laborers, between the workers, I can say. On the other hand, we also see that machines requires a large capital investment. That's why many industrialists in the 19th century preferred hand labor over machines. In the 19th century, there was seasonal nature of industries. What does this seasonal nature of industries mean? My dear students, I will tell you. For example, let us take the case of umbrellas here. Umbrellas are sold in rainy seasons only. And for the rest of the year, for the rest of the time, I can say, ये जो industries थी ये बेकार पड़ती थी. And on the other hand, we also see that in seasonal industries, only seasonal labor was required. That's why workers were preferred rather than machines. Dear students, you know that market demands of variety of designs and colors, and specific type could not be fulfilled by machine-made cloths. Intricate designs and colors could be done by human skills only. This was also a reason why some industrialists of 19th century Europe preferred hand labor over machines. My dear students, I will recapitulate some important points of the topic so that you can understand clearly. Some industrialists in 19th century preferred hand labor over machines. Why? It was because of some important reasons. Reason number first, machines were costly, ineffective, difficult to repair, and needed huge capital investment. Right? And the reason number second, labor was available at low wages at that period of time. And the reason number third, in seasonal industries, only seasonal labor was required. Right? And machines produces uniform products only, that's of same design, same color and same size. Intricate designs were fulfilled only by human skills. Keeping all these features in mind, some industrialists of 19th century Europe preferred hand labor over machines. In Victorian age, the aristocrats and other upper class people preferred articles made by hand only. Handmade products came to be symbolize refinement and class. They were better finished and carefully designed. In the coming topics, we will discuss some more topics of this chapter, that is the age of industrialization. I hope you will stay connected with me. Thank you. Have a nice day.